just a quick part two on Jonathan Edwards, because he's an interesting example of someone who had pretty pessimistic and harsh views on children and their sin nature, but you don't really see explicit instructions to parents on the use of corporal punishment, the importance of corporal punishment, or just harsh treatment in general. And one valid response to this is, well, Edwards didn't have to defend the use of corporal punishment because it was an assumed parenting practice in colonial America. And that is true. There is evidence that Edwards himself used corporal punishment with his children. We have references to letters where his children talk about using corporal punishment with their children. So it makes sense that Edwards did not feel compelled to make the case that corporal punishment is biblical, because there was no widespread pushback against the practice. Whereas in the 20th century, when we get to folks like Dobson, at this point there is some pretty mainstream criticism of corporal punishment as a parenting practice, and so there is more interest in providing a sort of a biblical footing for that.